So in this video, I'm going to be showcasing slightly different. It's basically my Pico project of basically entering the security code to enter the door. So in my case, it's would be hashtag. As you can see, it shows. So it's 9923006. And this one. X granted, right? And if it's something else, I, for example, type something, invalid code. Here, just to showcase shortly, this is a keypad, right? Here on the view, it actually needs like a 10 ohm resistor. This one is a buzzer, it's quite simple, you just need a positive and the negative charge, right? Here it has to go to the negative. As you can see, it's from the ground, right? For the LED, that's quite important and really difficult to set up. One thing, you need the as like ground. So usually the ground, you have then the VCC. It needs a higher, so it needs a V bus, and SCL. It's on, in my case, it's on GP6, GP7. So it's basically data in, data out. Otherwise, you can check it more online. Yeah, but SDA basically it's serial data. SDA it's serial data, and STL it's serial clock. So these two wires carry all the information the LCD needs. So it's quite important to assess all of these ones. For the LSD, another thing, you can actually adjust the brightness. Here, it has so-called, not sure if it's called pottometer, right? This one, where you can adjust the brightness. For example, I now will move and you can see the brightness has changed. If you see that. Otherwise, it does change a little bit. Like this is difficult to see, but anyhow, to do the project, one thing that was definitely needed is the whole setup, right? Otherwise, you can extend it with the relay. So it would give a click sound, but I'm not here regarding that. The code-wise, I have available here. So you can see it starts with the keypad, row pins for column, buzzer, LED right, and here I pass in the correct pin. So buzzer to buzz, if success for a longer buzz duration, if error then buzz value one time, and clicking sound on every click of the button. I think that made a lot of merit. So one thing to note that for the LED and as well for the which one is it? For this one, right? For the card reader, you actually need to install Sunflower Kit, right? And then, like, you know, best is to pass the files to, for example, where is it? Yeah, here I have the files, right? Personally, and then I can actually pass this one here. So with right click, upload to, it's gonna upload to here because the libs were needed in my case. For the LSD, right? So that is one thing I used. So for example, this one as reference. Here it shows 10 ohms resistor. Here you need a V bus, right? In few cases it didn't work, so I need to adjust. Otherwise, you can as well check few other projects like this one, but their wiring is different occasionally. This one I think is same. But for example, if you take just strictly keypad, Then the wiring is definitely slightly different if you compare it to mine here. It's on a lot lower level, but both of them are using ground. So as you can see now it's quite dimmed. Let me adjust it, the polymeter. Okay, now I think it's a lot better. Let me try again. What was the code? And so obviously you should have Thron is the best way to connect. Is you just have configure interpreter and then you can connect, right? And then pass. But I think if you're here, you should already have that. I removed the other ones, and here again the pin code, as you can see, it should be 9. Let me try again. Hashtag, and you can maybe hear the sound as well. 9. And here it actually shows as well. 2, 3, 0, 6, and the last, this one. So it showcase connected, and yeah, that's basically it. Hope you like the video. We'll continue on possibly as well for a lot bigger and more advanced projects. See ya.